Python Core Programming 1. Welcome to the Python Club at Athonsoft. Python is an excellent and widely loved programming language, and we will assist you in learning it from scratch and becoming proficient. By the end of all the tutorials, you will find it to be a wonderful experience. Introduction. In this section, we will introduce you to some basic concepts of computer programming, an overview of Python, why you should learn Python, and how to embark on your Python programming journey. What is a computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions written in a programming language that is executed by a computer to perform a specific task or solve a problem. What is computer programming? Computer programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining code that instructs a computer to perform tasks or solve problems, often involving logical and algorithmic thinking. What is a programmer? A programmer is a professional who writes and tests code to create and maintain software applications, ensuring they perform specific functions and solve problems efficiently. What is a programming language? A programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instructions used to produce various kinds of output, enabling programmers to communicate with computers and create software programs. How many programming languages in the world? The exact number of programming languages in the world is difficult to pinpoint because it continuously changes with new languages being developed and older ones falling out of use. In short, it's really a lot. Here is a link to a website which presents a list of program languages. What are the most commonly used languages today? The TIOBE Index and other programming language rankings provide a view of the most commonly used languages. You may check out the screenshot. What is Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python syntax is designed to be intuitive and its code more readable, making it a popular choice for beginners and experts alike. It has a vast standard library and a large ecosystem of third-party packages, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and scientific computing. What job can Python do today? Python is an incredibly versatile programming language and can be used in a wide range of fields today, including but not limited to web development, data analysis and data visualization, machine learning and artificial intelligence, scientific and numeric computing, software development, automation and scripting, game development, cybersecurity and network programming, Internet of Things, IoT, education and training, web development, building web applications using frameworks like Django and Flask, software development, writing scripts, tools, and applications for various purposes, machine learning and artificial intelligence, creating models for predictive analysis, natural language processing, and more with libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, data analysis and data visualization, handling, analyzing, and visualizing data using libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Scientific and numeric computing. Supporting scientific research and computation with SciPy, NumPy, and other specialized libraries. Automation and scripting. Automating repetitive tasks, data entry, and system administration tasks. Game development. Building games with libraries like Pygame. Internet of Things, IoT. Developing applications for smart devices and IoT systems. Cybersecurity and network programming. Writing scripts for penetration testing, network scanning, and security analysis. Education and training. Python's simplicity makes it a popular choice for teaching programming concepts. Python's widespread use, active community, and the vast array of libraries make it a go-to language for many different types of jobs and applications in the modern tech landscape. Python's widespread use, active community, and the vast array of libraries make it a go-to language for many different types of jobs and applications in the modern tech landscape. Why is Python language so popular today? The key factors, combined with its long history and continuous evolution, have solidified Python's position as one of the most popular programming languages today. Simplicity and readability. Python syntax is designed to be intuitive and easy to read, making it accessible for beginners and reducing the cognitive load for experienced programmers. Versatility. It can be used in various fields like web development, data analysis, machine learning, scientific computing, and more, making it a highly versatile tool. Large standard library and rich ecosystem. Python has a vast standard library and a plethora of third-party packages, which provide tools and modules for almost any programming task. Strong community and corporate support. A robust and active community contributes to Python's growth, offering support, documentation, and a wealth of resources. Additionally, major corporations like Google, Netflix, and Facebook use and support Python. Open source. Being open source, it is freely available to use and distribute, including for commercial purposes. Platform independent. Python is cross-platform, meaning Python programs can run on multiple types of systems without requiring changes to the code. Integration capabilities. Python can be easily integrated with other languages and technologies, which is particularly useful in complex projects. Suitable for rapid prototyping. Its simplicity allows for quick development, making it ideal for startups and for prototyping. Growing demand in emerging fields. The rise of fields like data science, machine learning, and AI, where Python has become a primary language, also fuels its popularity. How can I get started with Python programming? Getting started with Python programming is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. Install Python. Download and install the latest version of Python from the official Python website. Ensure to select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Set up an editor or IDE. Choose a code editor or integrated development environment, IDE, where you can write and execute your Python code. Beginners often start with idle, comes with Python, while others prefer editors like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebooks for more advanced features. Learn basic concepts. Start with basic programming concepts like variables, data types, operators, and control flow, if-else statements, loops. Practice coding. Practice is key in programming. Start with simple exercises and gradually move to more complex problems. Websites like HackerRank, LeetCode, and Codecademy offer interactive Python exercises. Explore Python's standard library. Python comes with a vast standard library. Explore it to understand the built-in functions and modules available. Work on mini projects. Apply your skills by working on small projects. It could be anything from a simple calculator to a basic web scraper. Learn about Python packages. Familiarize yourself with Python packages like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib if you're interested in data analysis, or Flask and Django for web development. Join a community. Engage with Python communities online through forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit's r/learnpython, or join local Python meetups. This can be a great way to get help, learn new things, and connect with others. Read documentation and books. Regularly read Python documentation and programming books to deepen your understanding. Keep updated. Python is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and changes in the language. Remember, the key to learning programming is consistent practice and patience. Don't rush, take your time to understand the basics, as they form the foundation for more advanced topics.